Oh no, child! What is happening to you? Why are you drawing? Again! I think he's vibrating after studying color temperature. Child, I think you are now ready to study color vibration. Oh no! You died. I think you died. Again. Too bad.
Alright, color vibration. The secret to making colors pop right into your eyeballs and not make your paintings look like desaturated piece of hot garbage like this. So shut up and pay attention. Color vibration occurs when you put So this is a very good example of color vibration. The red and the blue and the white creates illusion that the colors are moving. But there is another reason to use color vibration. Movement is the primary reason. The other reason is variety. Okay, so as in life, art needs to have variety. Otherwise, it will look stale. It will look boring. Okay, for example, if you eat pizza for like 7 days or like a month, then eventually after day 1 or 2 it will get boring because our brain needs variety. Variety is the spice of life. Same goes for in painting or drawing. There needs to have a variety of colors, a variety of edges, a variety of strokes, a variety of shapes, a variety of everything so that your drawing looks interesting. Okay, colors do not often vibrate in real life, alright, but we can make them vibrate in film and photography, similar to art. So as you can see here, this is aura quartz crystal. It is man-made. It reflects all of these colors when they are subjected to light. And this is a photograph. So the lighting here is making the colors vibrate. So she is wearing an orange tracksuit and the lighting is blue from this side and orange from this side, and the background is pink, so they are making everything colorful. So it looks as if this blue is kind of like sliding into the magentas and the magenta sliding into the oranges and all. That creates the movement of flowing color. That creates the flow of color. Okay, so that is how color vibration occurs in real life. Okay, now that you understand color vibration, there is the next step, a level beyond color vibration, which is nothing but color notes. So color notes are nothing but a variety in color, as I mentioned before. Okay, so these two paintings are by the famous artist Richard Smith. So he is known for his expressive colors in his paintings. So if I paint this house with only flat colors, it doesn't look that interesting, okay, because it's just a flat color. Like there is no movement in that color, there is no interest in that color, okay. But if I add a lot of small color notes or different hues of color, then it starts looking more interesting. So if I pick these colors from an area over here, you can see there are a lot of colors. So he's like totally vibrating colors. So in this area there is also the red color, but then it is accompanied by green color. Then over here it's a magenta, then again green and cyan, and then in the walls over here there is blue, there is red, there is white or yellow, again blues. So he's using a lot of tones to create that level of interest. Alright, so even in this painting, in her face alone, there are a lot of colors. Okay, even my favorite artists are doing the same thing. So in Aaron's drawing, you can see in her coat that he's using a lot of tones, and especially in her face he's using so many tones. Where did the cyan come from, man? Come on, this is so cool, and this gives the painting life. All right, even in Marco Bucci is one of my favorite. I learned a lot from him. I learned all of the painting techniques from him. Alright, I'm still learning it. So he literally uses a lot of colors. In all of these areas, he's using so many tones, so many hues to make the painting feel alive. If you see over here, the leaves, they feel alive. Why? Because there are so many tones. If they were to be flat with one color, they wouldn't feel so alive. He has all of these cool drawings and so many colors, man. it makes things come alive. It makes his paintings come alive. So many colors. Even in this grayscale painting, there are so many tones. It makes it feel alive. So that is how you use color vibration. So both of these techniques go hand in hand. One is the basic principle of how to vibrate colors, and the second one is taking it to a whole new level. Okay, so now how do you even apply this shit, right? Because this is complicated. This comes with practice. This comes with a lot of color studies, with a lot of color experimentation. All right, so what you can do is start with something simple like a cube. So just draw a cube and put all of these hues which are close to each other. So over here the main color is green and the shadow color is like a purplish or violetish color. Okay, but I'm adding a lot of other hues to make stuff very interesting. Okay, so for example, over here this is a green and this is another green that is moving towards blue. Why? Because the skylight is hitting on the top of the cube. Okay, so that is why that green moves towards the blue, and that is how you add color vibration or color notes. Okay, even in this painting right here, the background is made up of different types of colors, and the objects, the cube is made up of this pink color, and the shadow of the cube is made up of this blue or grayish blue color, and the box over here is made up of this pinkish or a skinish color. Over here it's a violet. The shadow is violet. Oh my god, spooky. And this is green. How in the world? Yeah, that's right. That is how you vibrate colors. But remember, before vibrating colors, the values are the most important. So if I turn this to grayscale, the values still hold. So if your values are right, you can literally get away with any color. Okay, you just need to keep your values proper. In these two Zelda monsters paintings, so Zelda Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom, and all of the art books related to that, those games, those whatever, the whole series or the whole franchise is a great way to study colors. Because over here in this choo-choo jelly, there are a lot of colors. And what's this? The grass is blue. How is that possible? The grass is blue because the colors from the choo-choo jelly are getting reflected onto the glass, which is called as refraction. But that allows you to vibrate colors even more effectively. And this bokoblin also has an assortment of a lot of colors. This hand color is red. Okay, the shadow is dark red. Okay, but here it's a gray or a blue. Hi, because as I mentioned before, the skylight is hitting directly on his shoulders. So that is why it desaturates the color. It moves the color towards the blue side. Same goes over here. This is a darker yellow, a lighter yellow, and a lemon yellow. That is how you vibrate colors. Over here, this is almost like a beige color, but then I've added a green color. This is again a beige color, but this is a blue color. Oh my god, come on! And as you can see, the values of both of these colors are the same. Okay, the values hold up the painting. Okay, even in this blue, the values is the same. Okay, even in this green, the value is the same. So if you keep the values right, you can literally splash any color. Okay, same thing you can do on a face. All right, so a skin color, a reddish color for the nose, and then over here it's a shadow color. Okay, it's a blue or a purple color. Then her hair is gray, but then the highlight is teal. Oh no. Then the next shadow is a dark purple, and the transition color is a magenta. Over here the shadow is blue. Even in the hair, the base color is black, but then the highlights are blue, and this is a red color. So if I switch to grayscale, it all holds together. How is that possible? It's skill, you idiot. And not only in smaller drawings, but I'm doing the same thing in bigger drawings as well. This is a glass, and as you can see in the reflection, I have used a lot of tones. Not only in the reflection, but in these pipes, I have used so many tones. Even in the character Mewtwo, there are like 3 or 4 or 5 tones together in one place. And this is exactly what makes your drawings come alive. And that is how you vibrate colors. And that is how you make your colors pop right into the eyeballs, those looking at your drawing. Yeah, make your colors pop right into the eyeballs of everyone. Their eyeballs should pop out of their brains. Splash a lot of colors, be confident, but remember the main thing is to keep all of the values right. Without it, the painting or any drawing that you're doing will just fall apart. So that is the main thing. That is the biggest lesson over here. If your values are right, you can literally get away with any color. This is probably the complete color course, okay? I might add like 1 or 2 bonus content later on if that is needed, okay? But this is the whole thing right here. The next videos are gonna be very interesting. So subscribe for them and press the bell icon. And until next time, see you later. Bye.
You there, subscribe, so that I could bring my son back, and press the bell icon so that you do not miss out any future videos, and give him 1 million subscribers right now, or you will never be good at drawing, ever. Goodbye.